How to hide Instagram app on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to hide Instagram app on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to head towards settings. Scroll down. Look for privacy option. Tap to open it. Tap privacy at top right. Now choose Hide Apps option under Privacy Protection and you have to enter your privacy password. Now you're on Hide Apps section. You can easily scroll down manually and look for Instagram. Or you can even use the search icon at top right, type in Instagram. Once find, toggle the button on for Instagram. When you come back, tap Hidden and your Instagram has been listed. When you go back to your home screen, you will no longer find Instagram app on your homepage. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.